This is 1 cup of sweetened chocolate, which I'm going to pour in a bowl placed over hot water. At this point, we'll just give this a mix until everything is melted and smooth. Let the melted chocolate cool down and wait for it to become a bit sticky before putting it in, as it sticks to the silicone molder better than when it's too liquidy. With this heart-shaped silicone molder, I'll carefully pour in some chocolate and spread it all over, making sure that the bottom as well as the walls are well coated. Alright, we're done. We'll pop this in the fridge for 2 hours. These are our frozen chocolate bombshells, and we'll carefully take each one out of the silicone molder. Carefully. Ah, perfect. Ow! The edge was too thin, or probably I wasn't careful enough. Okay, let's take this one. I'll take this one on my hand and take the other half and melt the edges like this on a plate that is sitting over hot water. And then just stick the two halves together. While the edges are still soft, you may gently pat them to make sure the shells are sealed together. And this, my lovelies, is our Christmas cocoa bomb. Enjoy!